So we're winding down our time here in Palm Springs area. One more adventure on the agenda for today. We're going to head out to see this vintage market, and it's supposed to be a pretty big deal, so we'll have a look at that. And then that's it. I think you're going to cook in the camper tonight, right, hon?
Yep.
So we'll show a little bit of that process, and as we mentioned in a couple of videos back, you know, our cooking area is pretty tight, so you'll see that. And then that's it. We'll pack up and start to make our way back home first thing tomorrow. So looking forward to getting back and getting to the projects that await us back at home. Groovy. Where are we, hon?
At an antique fair.
The vintage market, and it's been pretty good. A lot of cool stuff. Did you get anything?
I got a couple of scarves.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep shopping.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, it's okay. I didn't choke on the water.
I'm sorry.
It's my balance. It's my balance.
This is the problem.
few things, and I wanted to give my view on what's going on right now. First, there's quite a spotlight on big tech. Big tech